Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix sorry you are not able to sign up at this time on Cash App. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic to fix this issue. First of all, you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that if Cash App source is not down. For that you have to open any browser and just simply have to search for status.cash.app, and from here guys you have to make sure that if Cash App is working properly here. You can easily see here guys, here is showing good to go. So guys, if Cash App source is not down, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Now after that you have to open the setting, then scroll it down, then tap on general, scroll it down, tap on iPhone storage. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to locate for the Cash App. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to offload the app and then reinstall the app. And after that guys, close this page and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open the settings. So guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data or vice versa. Then after that, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap and hold the app, and from here you have to remove the app from your iPhone or Android phone. Just simply have to force restart your device and then reinstall the app, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.